Before you order your wood blinds, you'll need to measure your windows. In this video, we'll show you how to measure for a wood blind mounted inside the window frame. Following these easy guidelines will help ensure you order the proper size blind for your window. First, measure the depth of the window frame to make sure the bracket mounting surface is at least 2 inches. If the depth of clearance is less than 3 5/8 inches, the blind may protrude from the trim. If your mounting depth is less than 2.5 inches, we'll provide partial valance returns to enhance the look by covering the sides of the headrail. You should also make sure that any window hardware, such as a crank handle, will not get in the way of the blind when you lower it. Measure the width of the window in 3 places: the top of the frame, the middle, and the bottom. Make sure to measure within the window jambs. Write down the smallest of the 3 measurements, rounding down to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. This is your order width. Do not make any deductions to the width measurement. We will make a deduction of 1/4 of an inch per side for inside mounted blinds to allow for proper operation. It is important to remember that there will be a light gap of 1/4 of an inch per side between the window jamb and the slats for all inside mounted wood blinds. Next, you'll need to measure for the height. Measure from the inside of the window frame to the surface of the windowsill in the left, center, and right of the window. Write down the largest of these measurements, rounding up to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. We won't make deductions to the height. And that's it! Now you can order your wood blinds.